Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: updated device, stable Wi-Fi, and payment method ready. Open the iTunes Store app, tap Account or Sign In. Choose Create New Apple ID, then pick your country and agree to terms. Enter an email you control, a strong password, and your security questions. Write them down securely. Once done, add a payment method or select None. Make sure to verify your phone number and tap Continue so Apple can send the verification email or code. Now complete billing and billing address precisely. Mismatched addresses can block purchases. If you entered none, skip payment but still fill address fields. Review your Apple ID settings, enable two-factor authentication and confirm trusted devices. This protects purchases and restores content. Next, sign into iCloud and the App Store with the same Apple ID so purchases sync. To test, download a free app or song, confirm it says purchased under your account. If prompted, re-enter your password to finalize. Finish by opening iTunes Store, signing out and back in to refresh the account cache. This applies new settings immediately. Review subscriptions and family sharing in account settings to avoid unexpected charges and set purchase restrictions if kids use the device. For verification, open the email and tap Verify or enter the code sent via SMS. Troubleshooting tip: if verification email doesn't arrive, check spam, correct your email on file, and request a new code. If problems persist, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.